Now that you have this screen time contract, I want to share a few ways in which you can use it. You can use it as is, or you can tweak it for your own personal consumption. I want to share with you a little bit about why I think that it's valuable to use. You know, many of us parents have conversations with our children about stranger danger on a semi or regular basis. We find it something that is very natural to talk about, whether it's not entering someone's home without having permission from a parent, or checking in when they get to a friend's house. However, how many of us know ways to have conversations with our children about how they use screens and what they share on screens? Well, this is just a wonderful prompt to begin that conversation, and I hope that you take a look at it and find it useful and use the points that work best for your family and stay safe. So here's a way you can start the conversation with your child. I would encourage you to say something like this. Hey, Johnny, you know how we talk about stranger danger and the best way to be safe outside of our home? Well, we also need to have the conversation about what's safe to share on the internet and the way that we use our phone, tablet, or computer. So today we're going to talk a little bit about that, and I want to hear what you have to say, and I want to share some of our family values and rules, and then we'll come to an agreement. And it's as simple as that. Having a simple conversation will go a long way in keeping your kids safe. If you need more help or have questions about this, please don't hesitate to contact us or visit our blog at kidmatterscounseling.com. And don't parent alone.